Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can clear the cache for a specific folder on Adobe Bridge in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So launch Adobe Bridge, log into your account, and to clear the cache you will need to select the folder first. You may navigate to the folders here at the top, or if you're for instance in one of the other tabs like workflow, you may use that tab here. Navigate to the given folder via the favorites or specific location or folder on your device. I will go, I don't know, let's go with this one. So select it with your left mouse, not with your right mouse, but with the left mouse. And after that, navigate to let me find it, to tools here, and you will see this option, cache, and here to the right, purge cache for folder, and you will see the folder name for this specific folder. Well, that's the desktop folder, so I'm not going to clear it for demonstration purposes, but that's at least how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.